So, hello fellow coin collectors, how you going? This is Glenn, back with another video, and today we have some coins from the Russian Empire. So these are silver coins. The smallest silver coin that was issued at in the later 18 to early 1900s was the 10 Kopek. And as you can see, there's some discoloration, so I'm just wondering if this is actually a 4A coin, which is a counterfeit coin with silver on top. So I'm not too sure. The other two are pretty normal, but as you can see, by the quality and just the actual discoloration, could be coloration on top of this coin, which is yeah, it's pretty normal, or it could be just that this has been worn away. Anyway, so 10 Kopek, 1906, has 17.5 million coins, so it's quite a high denomination. And as you can see, you have SPB in Cyrillic. That just means St. Petersburg Mint. So these ones had the mint mark. 1915 doesn't have the mint, because earlier times they actually used different mints as well. And on the reverse we have the coat of arms of Russia, and here we have the initials of, I would say, most likely the mint master at the time. That's FC Felix. Oh no, sorry, EB. Sorry, that's EB. That's Alikum Babayan. Yeah, I know, I butchered it, and Loyal Warrior's going, you butchered Russian. Oh no. I'm sorry, Loyal Warrior. I'm not a native Russian speaker, just like you'll butcher English, which I'm fine with. So, the second highest denomination is the 15 Kopek. So here it is. As you can see, there's no initials for St. Petersburg on it. And on the back, it's quite a nice coin. Here we have the coat of arms of Russia. And let's get a close-up. So here's the coat of arms. Don't want my hands to be in the way all the time. And here we have VS, and that stands for Victor Smirnov, and he was actually the last mint master of the St. Petersburg Mint. Here we have the 20 Kopek, has pretty much the same on the reverse. So the metal value of this coin is actually 44 US cents. So this one should be 66 US cents. And this one should be 88 US cents because it's double the 10 Kopek. So at the time when silver was used, the denominations had the silver content of that denomination starting from wherever the one value silver denomination was determined of. And in this case it's a 1 ruble. 1 ruble had a certain value of silver, which would have been $4.40 of silver, and this is 10% of 1 ruble, so it would have had 10% of the silver. This would have had 20%, and this would have had 15% of the silver value. Okay, looking at Numista from 1915 to 1917, they didn't have a mint mark, so they had a mint mark up until 1914. And 1917 was their last year that these coins were actually minted. Because of the Russian Revolution, it actually stopped coins from being minted. So what is the mintage of the 2013? Let's get back to it. So the 1913 is actually a low minted coin. It has 4,250,000, and also has proof coins as well. And most of these coins are actually in that mintage range. We have a few from 1879, 1880 with over 20 million coins. We have 1906, so 7, 15 and 20 million coins respectively. And 1914, 52 million coins, which is actually the highest minted coin of this series. And this series is actually issued under Alexander the First, Alexander the Second, Alexander the Third, and Nikolai the Second. So it actually didn't change with the change in monarch. But the 1915 15 Kopek had a mintage of 59,333,333, which is actually not as many as the 1916, which they had two mintages of around about 96 million coins each. One was in Osaka, Japan, and the other one was in well, here it has Petrograd, but it's still St. Petersburg. So the name of St. Petersburg changed from St. Petersburg, Petrograd to Leningrad, then back to St. Petersburg, which is also the current name. So someone actually asked me, how do I know that the names, well, I was talking about Ho Chi Minh City, how I know it will be changed back. Well, we have some examples. It'll be changed back to Saigon. We have a Volgograd, which was changed into Stalingrad and changed back to Volgograd. St. Petersburg, which changed to Petrograd. Then to Leningrad, then back to St. Petersburg. And in Germany, we have Chemnitz, which has changed to Karl Marx Stadt. And it changed back to Chemnitz. And it probably is, actually I'm certain that there is ever cities that names have been changed, but have been changed back because the political situation made that previous name really unattractive and untenable. So these are the coins of, or some of the coins of Imperial Russia. I hope you like them. These ones, I think I've got these on eBay. Don't really want them anymore because it's just not part of my collecting regime. I just can't collect everything. So have an awesome coin collecting time, people. See my links down below. Join us on Discord, the forum where we could talk, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have an awesome coin collecting time, people. Bye bye.